I'm your host, Elon Brown, Rally Real Estate Group, Motorhead Mansions and Colt Cars, and today we are in one of my favorite places, that is the driver's seat of this amazing Ford Escort RS Cosworth. If you are looking for a car that puts an ear-to-ear grin on your face, makes the sound of a jet engine, I think this might just be the car for you. It's an all-wheel drive turbo rally homologation from the 1990s. We sold this car a couple of years ago. It's back on consignment, but this time we're at 607 horsepower thanks to the capable tune from Steve Sampier at Divulge Performance. Also running on corn gas instead of regular fuel, which gives us an extra 100 horsepower. So if you're looking for something to embarrass your friends with Ferraris and Lambos and steal all the attention at a car show, check this one out. It's coming up for sale at $100K. One of just a handful in the US, and we would be delighted to chat with you more about it. So give us a call and stay tuned for the next episode.
Just got dusted by a Toyota RAV4. I'm gonna let that slide.